Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you own the BMW M8 and that your save is synced to the cloud so changes persist. Once done, open the game's mod folder and place the vehicle pack V2 and matching texture files into the game root. Make sure to back up your save and original vehicle files before replacing anything. This protects you if the mod version mismatches the game version. You're ready to load the vehicle editor next. You now work in the vehicle editor to change engine maps and gearbox ratios to improve acceleration. Tweak torque where needed because higher torque affects traction. Next, replace meshes for bumpers, rims, and spoiler. Import 4K textures to keep visuals sharp. Then tune suspension. Lower ride height and adjust spring stiffness to roughly 0.5 to 1, 5 kN per mm, depending on desired stiffness. You finalize by exporting the mod package and launching both drive and park test scenarios to validate physics and visuals. If you encounter instability or glitches, revert to your backup and reapply modifications one step at a time so you can isolate the cause. Make sure to keep a simple log with file names, version numbers, and parameter values you changed. This makes future fixes or updates faster. If textures fail, recheck file paths in texture format, then reload the mod.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.